This video is all about some common Filipino or Tagalog verbs that you should know. Lakad. Lakad means walk. Lakad. Nood. Nood. Nood means watch. Nood. Sabi. Sabi. Sabi means said. Sabi. Inom. Inom. Inom means drink. Inom. Lagay. Lagay. Lagay means place. Lagay. Kuha. Kuha. Kuha means get. Kuha. Hanap. Hanap. Hanap means find. Hanap. Kinig. Kinig. Kinig means to listen. Kinig. Sara. Sara. Sara means to close. Sara. Bukas. Bukas. Bukas means open. Bukas. Sulat. Sulat. Sulat means write. Sulat. Mahal. Mahal. Mahal means love. Mahal. Tayo. Tayo. Tayo means stand. Tayo. Higa. Higa. Higa means to lay down or lie down. Higa. ISIP. ISIP. To isip means to think. Isip. Takbo. Takbo. Takbo means run. Takbo. Sayaw. Sayaw. Sayaw means dance. Sayaw. Kanta. Kanta. Kanta means to sing. Kanta. Alis. Alis. Alis means to leave. Alis. Dating. Dating. Dating means arrive. Dating. Bili. Bili. Bili means to buy. Bili. Bigay. Bigay. Bigay means to give. Bigay. Luto. Luto. Luto means to cook. Luto. Langoy. Langoy. Langoy means to swim. Langoy. Ligo. Ligo. Ligo means to take a bath or to bathe. Ligo. Ramdam. Ramdam. Ramdam means feel. Ramdam. Guhit. Guhit. Guhit means draw. Guhit. Sagot. Sagot. Sagot means answer. Sagot. Tanong. Tanong. Tanong means a question or it can also mean ask. Tanong. Tanggap. Tanggap. Tanggap means receive. Tanggap. Plano. Plano. Plano means plan. Plano. Bili. Bili. Bili means buy. Bili. Turo. Turo. Tuturo means to teach or to point. Turo. Basa. Basa. Basa means to read. Basa. Gamit. Gamit. Gamit means use or it can also mean thing. Gamit. Sakay. Sakay. Sakay means ride. Sakay. Gawa. Gawa. Gawa means do. Gawa. Punta. Punta. Punta means to go. Punta. Tawa. Tawa. Tawa means to laugh. Tawa. Tahol. Tahol. Tahol means to bark like for dogs. Tahol. Kagat. Kagat. Kagat means to bite. Kagat. Lapit. Lapit. Lapit means to approach or to come closer. Lapit. Kita. Kita. Kita means see. Kita. It can also mean income. Kita. Dala. Dala. Dala means bring. Dala. Balik. Balik. Balik means return. Balik. Sukat. Sukat. Sukat means measure. Sukat. Yakap. Yakap. Yakap means hug. Yakap. Tago. Tago. To tago means to hide. Tago. And that's all for our common Filipino or Tagalog verbs that you should know. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.